got a question? Ask Celia. She's like an encyclopedia. What's the name of this flower? Or a translator. Translate the menu. A nutritionist. How many calories in this?
Let me check.
A personal shopper. Buy similar product of this. Smarter phone, smarter life. Getting hectic? Just ask. Celia will help. Like texting, "Hey Celia, text John.
What do you want to say in the message?
Meeting is changed to 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Here is your message, ready to send it.
Confirm.
Okay, I've sent that for you.
Plan your schedule. Hey Celia, add a meeting at my calendar 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Your event has been added to calendar.
Or setting your alarm. Hey Celia, set an alarm 8 a.m. tomorrow.
I have set an alarm for 8 o'clock.
Let's see what else you can do. Designed to make your life easier. Celia.
Hey Celia, call Richard.
Calling Richard.
Hey Celia, schedule a meeting at 3 p.m.
Your event has been added to calendar.
Hey Celia, quel temps fera-t-il demain?
Hey Celia, face-to-face translation. Can I have the menu please? Hey Celia, scan calories.
Okay, let me check.
Hey Celia, what flower is this?
Let me check.
Hey Celia, where can I buy this?
Alright.
Hey Celia, turn on eye comfort mode.
Eye comfort mode is on.
Hey Celia, wake me up at 6 a.m. tomorrow.